is advancing rapidly and there is no shortage of people worried about its impact on jobs. We have all heard the warnings and the panic surrounding automation and its potential to disrupt industries. But here is the truth. Some jobs are simply irreplaceable, no matter how advanced the technology becomes. Whether it's 2030 or 2050 or beyond, certain roles will always require human touch. Curious to know which careers are safe from automation and how you can stay ahead of the robots or any AI model. Let's explore together. First is healthcare professionals like doctors, nurses and therapists. Why AI can't replace them? First, empathy and trust. AI can diagnose disease faster, but it can't comfort a grieving family holding a patient's hand during a surgery or build a trust over the years of care. In second, we have ethical dilemmas. Deciding when to stop life support or how to prioritize limited medical resources requires moral judgment, not algorithms. And in third, we have complex care. Mental health therapists, for example, adapt strategies based on subtle cues like body language or tone. For example, a nurse noticing a patient's unspoken anxiety about treatment and tailoring their approach to ease fear, something AI can't replicate. In second, we have educators and mentors. Why AI can't replace them? First, human connection. Teachers inspire curiosity, mediate classroom conflicts, and mentor students through personal struggles. In second, we have adaptability. Educators adjust lessons in real time based on student engagement, cultural conflicts, or sudden events. For example, like a pandemic may happen. In third, we have critical thinking. Teaching students to question biases in AI-generated content or think philosophically requires human guidance. For example, a teacher helping a student turn a failed AI-generated science project into lessons or resilience and creativity. In number 3, we have creative professionals like artists, writers, designers. Why AI can't replace them? First, originality. AI mimics existing styles but can't create art rooted in personal trauma, cultural heritage, or groundbreaking rebellion. In second, we have emotional resonance. A novel about grief or a film about social justice connects because humans feel and machines don't. In third, we have cultural context. Designing a logo for a local business or writing a political satire requires understanding nonsense that AI misses. For example, a filmmaker using AI to generate scene backdrops but crafting dialogue that reflects lived experience of marginalizations. In fourth, we have skilled trade peoples like electricians, plumbers, mechanics. Why AI can't replace them? First, physical dexterity. Robots struggle with tasks like threading wires through old wall or repairing a vintage car engine. Second, we have unpredictable environment. Fixing a burst of pipe during a storm or troubleshooting a blackout requires improvisation. In third, we have custom solutions. Every home, every car, every machine has its unique quirks. AI can't handle exceptions to the rule. For example, an electrician rewiring 100 years old house, blending historical preservance with modern safety standard. And in 5, we have the job of AI ethics and governance specialist. Why AI can't replace them? Number 1, moral reasoning. Should AI prioritize saving driver or a pedestrian to a crash? Human must weigh philosophical, legal and cultural values. Then in second, we have bias detection. AI might unknowingly replicate racial, gender biases in hiring algorithms. Human audit and correct these systems. In third, we have policy design. Crafting laws for AI use in warfare, healthcare or education requires empathy and societal foresight. Number 6, mental health and wellness directors. Let's see why AI can't replace them. Number 1, emotional intelligence. Detecting subtle sign of burnout or depression like changes in speech pattern obviously requires human intuition. In second, the personalized care. A wellness coach tailors strategies based on someone's trauma history, culture or lifestyle. No one size fits all for AI solutions. And in third, we have crisis intervention. Calming down a suicidal individual or mediating workplace conflicts demands empathy, not chatbots. And in number 7, we have climate resilience experts like engineers, architects, and ecologists. Why AI can't replace them? Number 1. System thinking. Designing a flood-resistant city involves balancing ecology, economics, and community needs. In second, we have innovation under pressure. Creating low-cost solar solutions for a rural areas or inventing new materials to capture carbon emission requires humans for sure. In third, we have community engagement. Convincing a town to relocate due to rising seas needs storytelling and trust, not the data alone. And in the end, I want to give you a bonus role or bonus career, which is AI developers and engineers itself. Let's see why AI can't replace them. Creative problem solving. Building AI requires imagining systems that don't yet exist. While AI can generate code, it lacks in vision to ask some questions like what problem should I solve next? Or how can this technology gonna serve the humanity? In second, we have ethical design. Engineers must embed fairness, transparency, and accountability into AI systems. Machines can't debate in moral implication of their own existence. In third, we have human context. AI developers bridge technical complexity with human needs. For example, designing a chatbot for a mental health support requires understanding of psychology, language, nonsense, and cultural sensitivity, skills that AI can't replicate ever. In the bigger picture, these roles are shared for irreplaceable human ethics, like empathy, connecting with others' emotion, ethics, making value-based decisions, creativity, solving novel problems, and adaptability, thriving in chaos. AI is a tool, not a rival. Think of AI as an ultimate intern, great at crunching data, but you are still the boss. By 2050, the most valuable jobs won't be about competing with the machines, they will be about leveraging uniquely human strength to build a better world together. Want to future-proof your career? Cultivate curiosity, compassion, and courage to think differently. Stay curious, stay irreplaceable.